Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fermata Energy to manage V2G power dispatch, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Fermata Energy's official website. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the home page is displayed, look for the Login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for both your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, there should be a Forgot Password link available. Click this link to receive instructions for recovery. After entering your email and password correctly, click the Login button. This should initiate the login process. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your V2G power dispatch settings. Explore the options available to customize your energy management preferences. Remember to save any changes you make during this process. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try reloading the page. For additional help, consult the support section of the website. This completes the login process to manage V2G power dispatch on Fermata Energy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.